This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cooling system draining. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Turn the heater control to the maximum heat setting. With the engine cool, unscrew the coolant reservoir cap. Wrap a thick cloth around the radiator cap, then slowly unscrew and remove it from the radiator to relieve any residual pressure remaining in the system. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant. The radiator drain plug is located on the right side, lower corner of the radiator. Open the drain fitting until coolant starts flowing from the drain hole. A pair of pliers may be required to turn it. Allow the coolant in the radiator to drain completely. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses before refilling the cooling system. Once the coolant has finished draining, tighten the radiator drain plug securely by hand. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Cooling system filling. Fill the cooling system with the proper type and mixture of antifreeze up to the base of the radiator filler neck. The coolant level may drop slightly after filling the radiator, so keep adding coolant to the radiator until the coolant remains level with the filler neck base. Loosely install the radiator cap. Start the engine and run at approximately 1500 RPM until the radiator fan comes on 2 times. Feel the upper radiator hose. It should be warm, indicating the thermostat has opened. Turn off the engine and let it cool down. Slowly remove the radiator cap and recheck the coolant level, adding more as necessary to bring the level up to the base of the filler neck. Fully install the radiator cap. Fill the coolant reservoir with the coolant until the level reaches slightly above the minimum mark. Start the engine. Allow it to reach normal operating temperature once again and check for leaks.